know. So, and finally, you got this one white. The white has sort of no color. And this is close. Just on off. On off. On. And see, it says on. And enjoy it. And what to put the batteries is that I will stay like this. It's a very, very cute little alarm clock. A custom alarm clock that I'm using as the faces. Here are two clocks here. Custom clock is the same, you know. This clock can open. You can repair it with little batteries with no. So this clock is the mechanism, the clock mechanism with the face. It's funny. Clock mechanism with the face, but actually clock mechanism with the face without meaning. So it's I have two alarm clocks here. This clock is I got from Echo Shop. This clock, this is made from quartz and then made in China. I have two different types of the alarm clocks. Except it on the house. Reality, this original one. Expected this expressions and reality. So it's a play with the clock, like the video of highlights. The highlights video. The battery cover missing. I finally got this, but I want to make her happy to the twins, little twins. So the clock will be beep. Those beep 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 beep. There beep 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 beep. They are a little faster. Particularly the clock. See the numbers and then numbers on it. With the round and the clock. It's a square. See the round is a clock. Surrounded and all the numbers is not glowing in the hand, but stays in the green in the black. But you wake up, went to the school when you wake up. So the clock, this clock has all numbers. It's not a button. It's not a button. This is a button. It looks like it's not that a button, it's not that a button. It's not a button. Button. Do you see the button? Just don't see the bubble. No hole. The bubble. Hands off. There's button. Didn't. You need to press the button. Press the button on the train here. and then buttons. When we go to school, it has some buttons now. I bring a clock. Around. Okay. Clock. Midway. I will get some breakfast now. I don't want takeaway breakfast. See you guys watching. Thank you guys for watching. Do you want this clock or the house?